सो गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू पीडी क्लासेस। दोस्तों, आज हमारा सेशन है वो बेस्ड है बिजनेस एंड अकाउंट्स पर, और उम्मीद करता हूं आज का जो सेशन है उसमें आपको बहुत से टेक्निकल राउंड के क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे जो आपको बहुत बेनिफिट देने वाले हैं। इसके अलावा बताना चाहूंगा कि हमारे दोनों चैनल पीडी क्लासेस और इंटरव्यू गाइड पर आपको अकाउंट्स रिलेटेड वीडियो, कॉमर्स रिलेटेड वीडियोस बहुत मिलेंगे जहां से आप बहुत कुछ सीख भी सकते हैं। इसके अलावा आप स्पोकन इंग्लिश, पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट, बॉडी लैंग्वेज की वीडियोस भी हमारे दोनों चैनल से सीख सकते हैं। तो सबसे पहले मैं वेलकम करता हूं आपको, और आई वांट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि आप अगर बिजनेस वर्ल्ड में जा रहे हैं, ऑब्वियस है देयर मस्ट बी अ प्रॉपर डेफिनेशन फॉर बिजनेस।
यस
तो इरा, बिफोर आई एम गोइंग विद योर इंट्रोडक्शन, मैं चाहूंगा आप हमें सबसे पहले बिजनेस को डिफाइन कीजिए कि बिजनेस मींस व्हाट।
Sir, according to me, business can be defined as the activity of buying and selling of goods and services.
Okay.
Business can be for profitable organizations or non-profitable entities.
Wonderful answer, really you have given. So Ira, since it's an accounting part also, I want to know from you the definition of accounting also.
Sir, accounting is concerned with the process of recording, summarizing and sorting data which is resulted by the method of business organizations and operations.
Wonderful. And what does accountancy means?
Sir, accountancy means that the knowledge of how to prepare an account.
Okay.
It tells us that how to prepare various books, how to maintain them, and how to communicate the information of accountancy to the parties interested in them.
And what is bookkeeping?
Sir, bookkeeping is concerned with the identifying of financial transactions, measuring them in monetary terms,
Yes.
and recording and classifying them.
Wonderful answers you are giving. And since one more part is left, that is ledger. So I want to know from you its definition.
Sir, a ledger is a book or collection of accounts where we can record the transaction of an account.
Okay. Ira, I want your complete introduction.
Sir, I am Ira Chok from Sri Ganganagar, Rajasthan. Right now I am a student. I have passed my secondary education from CBSE and then I went on completing my senior secondary education from the same board. Throughout my entire education I had received the first division only, and now in September I am going to Canada for pursuing my further studies.
In business itself?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what are your hobbies, Ira?
Sir, as far as the activities which I like are concerned, then that would be shooting and dancing.
Wonderful. Ira, what is joint stock company?
Sir, a joint stock company is run by its investors, and an investor is the one who holds a stake in the company according to the amount of share he or she has bought.
Okay. Can you differentiate between assets and liabilities in definitions?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Sir, an asset is any resource which is owned or controlled by a business entity or any other economic entity.
Okay. And liabilities?
Sir, the liability is the legal debt which a company owes to the third party creditors.
Okay. Ira, there is one term that is secret partner. What
Yes.
does it mean?
Sir, a secret partner is the member of a company or any business organization whose identity is kept secret from the general public.
Okay. Which is the business organization that is only found in India?
Sir, according to me, Joint Hindu Family is the business organization which is only found in India.
Okay. Which company has no restrictions on the transfer of share?
Sir, public company has no restrictions on the transfer of shares, and apart from this, every company has its restrictions on the transfer of shares.
Okay. Who regulates the joint family business?
Sir, Karta is the one who regulates the joint family business and who is also the head of the family.
Okay. Ira, why you opted to be like a business student? What is the reason?
Sir, to be honest, business is in my blood. My
Okay.
father is himself also a businessman, and since my childhood only, I was motivated to become a businesswoman. So that's why I opted for business.
Why you want to do business? Why not job?
Sir, I want to do things in my own way, and I know that if I would be joining any kind of job, then in that job I would have to run according to my boss.
Yes.
So that's why this is the main reason why I want to run a business.
So don't you give, you don't have any thinking of giving something or benefiting to society, something like that?
So definitely, I am always ready to give my best to the society and for the betterment of the place where we are living. So this is also the reason that why I opt for business, because I know that if I would be doing any kind of job, then I would not be able to serve to my society. But if I would be doing business, then definitely in some way I would be making employment opportunities,
Yes.
and I would be helping other people in that way. So that is the also reason why I opt for business.
Okay. Ira, what is your day schedule? Like how you pass your time? Whole day.
So right now, if I talk about, then I go to French classes and try to do things which can improve my business skills as well. Like I help my father in his own business.
Good.
Right now he is a pharmacist, so I try to maintain the records which he is keeping for his pharmaceutical shop.
Okay. So you are supporting your father.
Yes,
What
sir.
are your strong points, Ira?
Sir, according to me, my strong points would be my versatile personality as well as my adaptable nature.
And what is your weakness?
Sir, upon my weaknesses, I am also working, and that would be my habit of procrastinating boring tasks.
Okay. So you procrastinate little bit.
Yes, sir.
Are you procrastinate all boring tasks or little bit?
No, sir, little bit in which I am not interested much.
So don't you think that procrastination is something very bad? Like if you delay every work, then there would be a problem. Are you doing something to improve it?
Yes, sir, definitely. According to me, procrastinating is a very bad habit, and I am also working on it. Like I try to stick upon my schedule. So this is so in this way I try to not to procrastinating my task.
Okay. Tell something about your family, Ira.
Sir, my family has 6 members, and in which my mother is a homemaker and my father and my sister are the earning ones.
Okay. And you are the one who is spending ones
Yes, sir.
or investing, I can say, because you are going for a business world. So you want to be in future you want to be a big businesswoman also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like Ira, everybody has some instinct, some favorite teacher where they learned something. So who is your favorite teacher up to now, and what you learned from them?
Sir, although it would be difficult for me to choose one, because like I have about 3 or 4 persons in my choice.
Okay.
But still, if I talk about my recent experiences, then I want to take the name of my commerce teacher. His name was Varun Maheshwari.
Okay.
And he taught me in a very well manner.
Very nice. Now I want to know from you, like in business world you have to deal with every type of person. So I want to know about your nature. Like you want to work alone or you like to work in team?
Sir, definitely if I want to grow more and more, then I have to stick on a team with me, because a person cannot grow alone much. Ultimately he or she needs someone with them. So I think that a team would be my requirement to grow more.
But if suppose some works you have to deal alone, so it means you are unable, you are dependent personality.
No, sir. I am only saying that there are some things in which a teamwork is required.
Yes,
So according to that only, I need a team for me. But it doesn't mean that I am unable to do things alone. I can do things by myself, and I always prepare myself to do things alone, so that I do not have to depend on anyone for my future purposes.
Okay. How can you say that you are different from others?
Sir, I think that my passion is the one which makes me differentiate from others, because sir, in today's time we see that students are not so much passionate with their future plans, in which like earlier they used to be. So I think that my passion is the one thing which makes me separate from the others.
Okay. Suppose you become a big business entrepreneur in your life. Then what good thing you would like to do for the society? Like what India needs, the first thing according to you, where you would like to spend some money, or I can say invest some money for the development of the nation?
Sir, I would love to develop my own nation, and for that also I am planning that I would be setting up my businesses not only in India but in other countries as well.
Okay.
So that I
increase the
can,
GDP as well
yes,
as GNP also.
Yes, sir. So that I can generate more profit, and I can put that whole profit in the development of my nation.
Wonderful.
And apart from that, if I talk that in which sector I would like to do the development, then according to me, education sector and the sports sector are the two things which are really required to be developed in our country.
Okay. Ira, why you are going abroad for business studies? What is the reason?
Sir, because I want to do business on not only on national level but on international level as well. So I think that if I want to understand the concept of international market, then it would be great if I go and visit myself to the places where I can study the case studies of international companies.
Ira, since you are going to be a businesswoman, so my next question is, what type of people you don't like to work with?
Sir, as I told you that I am the person who delays task, but at the same time I would not like to work with the persons who likes to delay task or procrastinating things. Because sir, if I am working with lazy people, then I don't think so that they would be giving much benefits to my business.
Okay. Suppose you have to recruit two person. One is well educated, another is well experienced. Whom will you take?
Sir, to be honest, I would be going with the well experienced one, because sir, I think that in business we can learn more from experience rather than making ourselves learn the theoretical things. So I would definitely go with the experienced one.
Okay. See, definitely when you are going with dealing with people, you will find every type of person. So suppose that you are going with your business, but your competitors are against you and they want that you should not do this work. You will have lots of pressure. In business world, this is very common. So don't you think this is a very hectic task you are going to take in your hands very soon?
Yes sir, definitely I know that what are the pros and cons of doing a business, but still sir, at the same time I don't think so. I'm not looking myself in any other profession rather than doing business. So I think that it is my own passion that I am so much dedicated towards doing a business, and I know that definitely I would have to face a lot of pressure and a lot of competitors in my life, but still I am ready for that.
And who is your ideal, Ira?
Sir, to be honest, my ideal is Ratan Tata, because sir, I know that he is a great businessman, but apart from that, the things which he does for the society and for the well-being of our India, then I don't see any other business person doing so much development for our country. So I think that he is my ideal.
He is really a true Indian.
Yes sir.
Okay, Ira, since you are going for commerce, you want to be a businesswoman, there may be lot many questions in front of you, but since today you have given a very well interview, proud of you. And here I would like to talk with my viewers also, that if you are watching our videos up to last, ऑलवेज आई एम गिविंग यू अ टिप. अगर आप हमारा वीडियो लास्ट तक देखते हैं दोस्तों, तो हम आपको एक लास्ट में टिप जरूर देते हैं. और आज का जो टिप है दोस्तों, वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. मैंने ईरा से एक क्वेश्चन पुट अप किया था, दैट ईरा, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ पीपल यू डोंट लाइक टू वर्क विद. और ईरा ने बहुत अच्छा आंसर दिया था कि सर, सिंस आई एम प्रोक्रास्टिनेट लिटिल बिट, बट आई डोंट वांट पीपल दोज हु आर वर्किंग अंडर मी शुड प्रोक्रास्टिनेट द थिंग्स. अच्छा आंसर था. बट आपको बताना चाहूंगा दैट सिंस whatever and wherever you are going, whether it is for any job, any businesses, such answer should deal in a professional manner. So you can state, sir, being a flexible personality, or you can use a better word, like more professional word, that is, sir, being a versatile personality, I can work with every type of person. I can deal every type of personality, and I am very familiar, sir. I am very used to with every type of person. So I don't think, sir, that if I am to work with any personality, he is having any loopholes. It doesn't matter for me, sir. Sir, I know how to deal, because I always try to understand people. This is the main quality which I feel in me, sir. So I don't think that I can work with the special qualities only with people, those who are having special qualities. I can work with every type of person. If you take such an answer, you can put a better impressions in front of the other people. Really proud of you, Ira. Today you have given a good interview. Proud of you. Keep it up. Blessings to you. Thank you.